So in your computer keyboard, suppose if this number lock key is off, you must turn on the num lock. You can enable the number lock key, and I can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key, and at the same time you must type here 10687. So after typing 10687, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this symbol we have created in so you can try this after opening Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. So we have created a black point bullet symbol using this keyboard shortcut Alt 10687. For this video, see for more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.